before we get started with that, we have a special guest today. That's why there's another seat very awkwardly sitting empty beside me. It's Maddie! Thank you for joining us, Maddie. Maddie's also an expert dancer. You guys should go see all of her amazing dances on Instagram. So, boop, there you go. Pop tag for you.
Whoever it is.
So we're gonna make gifts for our moms today for Mother's Day. For all moms.
Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching.
If you're excited, oh, you're ready to smash it. Smash the subscribe button. Not too hard.
Smash that subscribe button.
Start by painting the frame so that it gives it time to dry.
I am gonna pick one of my favorite colors, Robin's.
Yay!
Oh, that's a pretty color.
Okay, well, she's painting that. Because we're doing this with Scrabble letters, where are they?
Oh, they're up there.
Where are they?
We found them. We found them.
We have Scrabble letters. Hey, these Scrabble letters aren't indented.
Oh, I've never seen Scrabble letters like this.
These are crappy Scrabble letters. I was gonna be able to paint like lightly over them. Do you happen to have a teeny tiny brush?
Oh, of course not.
So basically what we're gonna need to do is spell out a word down. I don't call her mother, I call her Mumsy. It would be weird if we put mother and we don't call her mother. But you guys can put mother.
I call my mom mom.
Like
Most people do.
We gotta figure out words to put in here.
Do the ones that really describe your mother.
She likes laundry. We could put laundry on it. Laundry.
She has.
Why not? Llama. Oh,
Does she like llamas?
She loves llamas.
Yeah.
What about more like nice mom words other than mama?
Let's try just like something amazing. I like that.
You can do Grace.
Grace.
No, don't do amazing grace.
Amazing. Caring. This also works really well because our mom really likes Scrabble.
She has a name.
She is very nice.
That's good. That's cute.
I wish they were
I like
really
that.
cute.
We're gonna paint the letters that you want to stand out. So just the words of Mumsy in pink, exactly. We gotta do it lightly so it doesn't cover up all the letters. I'm gonna roll this thingy up. I'm gonna put it face down right here and then wrap it up.
So I am going to start doing big white polka dots.
Teamwork. When you're laying out your words, you leave enough space on the edges so that your shadow box has room to screw back into it. I'm gonna just darken up some of these letters so it pops a little better. Move them on, touching each other so you can make sure they're lined up. Good job.
We are about to be finished if you want to add some stickers. Yay! We are almost, we are done!
So, you did a very good job.
Yes, we did!
I like your polka dots. That was a good call. We're gonna make an edible chocolate flower arrangement. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna cut some flowers out of cardstock. If you can use a cookie cutter that's shaped like a flower, but if you don't have one, then you can make your own stencil. We're gonna be using dark chocolates as our petals.
And you could use that to make your stencil. I got that knowledge.
Oh, if it's you,
And then we're gonna cut out stencils.
make you worth my.
Oh my goodness! We're gonna eat chicken while we make DIY!
Don't you pay them any mind? Close your eyes.
While I'm tracing these, you can start cutting out your first flower.
Keep it
you some little tips and tricks here. It first helps if you cut off a lot of excess, because if you've got a ton of paper you're working with, it makes it challenging. One of the keys is if you go in towards the center, don't try and go out from it, because then your point is going to be messed up. If you come out from out here, and you go back in towards that center point, it's going to be much cleaner.
I finished my popcorn chicken.
Thank you. When you're DIYing.
You need some dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Unless
So D and DIY stand for with dinner?
DIY, what does that stand for?
You know.
No.
Do it yourself. Because you're doing it yourself instead of just buying it at the store. Alright, we got the flowers. Ready to move on to the next step. Alright, so the next thing is you're gonna get some bamboo sticks. We've painted ours green. You can actually buy some that are already green, but these are gonna be the stems of our flowers. So we're gonna glue, we'll do a line
Right here?
straight down, because you're gonna lie the stick right in it. There it is. And we're gonna let this dry.
Charlotte would think these are wands, right?
Yeah,
They
it
look
could
like
be.
one.
Oh my goodness, we could do a wand version of this.
I
really like these already.
So you're gonna need your chocolate.
I'm gonna take the same color as the petals I have, and I'm also going to take one from another color and put it in the center.
Yeah.
So shine on, lose your spot. Show me what you got.
You could use double-sided tape, but we're just gonna take a piece of tape and roll it up like this. Put it on the back and then stick it down. It'll stick to itself. There we go. Oh, it's cute.
I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you, we will be.
Fold the green piece in half. Make it's like an oval, and then it comes out like a leaf. We got either a vase or a flower pot.
Oh, you can push that. Ready? Break it!
Alright, yours is in there.
Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you.
There you go. I'm so excited about this. This is so cute.
My
Emily.
mom's probably gonna love this. I'm telling you, this is probably one of the best Mother's Day gifts if your mom loves chocolate.
Just wanna be right next to you. Right in the
Okay, I think they're just about together. Alright, and if you have any of that Easter grass, whatever they call it, it'd be really cute to put some of that in there to make it stick out. Yeah, that was Emily's idea, so shout out to Emily.
I just wanna know where you wanna go. I don't wanna be stuck in the middle.
Alright, I'm gonna set them behind us. Them back here.
What can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right there. We can do anything we want to, and I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you.
For our third and final DIY,
DIY.
we're using washi tape.
Put it on popsicle stick. So you take your tape and you tape all of the popsicle sticks.
And I need a word, well, I'm into you. And all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline.
Get your sticks all lined up in a row. We're gonna flip them all over.
Wanna, as long as I'm with you, I'm alright.
And they've got them all flipped over. And you're gonna lay one out here and one out here.
Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you.
So the last piece of it, once you have all of yours together, put some sticky magnets on the back. You can also put a picture on the front, as you're supposed to do with it, but we don't have any pictures. When I bought the flower pot over here, they stuffed it with a newspaper. So I found a picture of some random Boy Scout in there, and he's gonna be the picture on here. I should put this in Emily's fridge, and she's gonna be like, Who's that? Anyway, tell us which one of these is your favorite. Let us know if you make one of these for your mom, or even tweak it and make it for one of your friends or for yourself, because they're really cute. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you have a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Alright, thanks guys. See you later.
We are doing a DIY. You say you love me, I say you're crazy. You're not my love, but when I give brother, I need you since we were like 10.
What?
This time, I'm gonna smash.
Yes. We're gonna do it in honor of God. Oh, you can do that.
Smash that subscribe button like I smash.
What do you smash? Potatoes?
Brothers.
You should not smash brothers.
No, that's what my brothers did to me.
Oh no!
Yeah, they punched me in the face. They're like,
You shouldn't smash sisters.
sorry, I'm like very dramatic. So, yeah.